Type 2 diabetes, the science of exercise and blood sugar control. Imagine this. It's the first ray of sunlight, you open your eyes, and feel an invincible energy coursing through your body. Energy that makes you want to jump out of bed and seize the day. Now, wouldn't that be amazing? Especially if you're someone dealing with type 2 diabetes. That's right, folks. Welcome to our deep dive today on type 2 diabetes, the science of exercise and blood sugar control. Sedentary lifestyles can be destructive, and a fast track to obesity, heart diseases, and yes, you guessed it, type 2 diabetes. Physical inactivity causes your body to become resistant to insulin, leading to an overproduction of glucose in your body. Too much glucose? Not a good story for our body. But guess what? We have a superhero in our midst, and that's exercise. Exercise is like a magic potion for managing blood sugar levels. Each time you exercise, your muscle cells become more sensitive to insulin, allowing them to remove more glucose from your blood. This means you can effectively control your blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes complications. That's some pretty neat biology, isn't it? Now, let's explore the fitness arena. There's a whole array of exercises out there, and the key is in finding the right balance that suits you and your lifestyle. Firstly, we have cardiovascular exercises. These are exercises that will get your heart rate up and keep it there for a while. Brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling can do wonders. Not only do these exercises help you burn calories, but they also increase the efficiency of your heart and lungs. A 30-minute session of cardio daily can drastically improve your insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Next up is strength training, which is just as essential. Lifting weights, doing push-ups, or using resistance bands. These exercises increase muscle mass. And guess what? More muscles mean more glucose consumption. Remember, your muscles are the primary sites for glucose uptake, so pumping them up will reduce the glucose overload in your bloodstream. Lastly, we have flexibility exercises, an often overlooked component of a balanced fitness regime. Yoga, Tai Chi, or even simple stretching exercises increase the range of motion of your muscles and joints. They may not directly lower blood sugar levels, but they aid in reducing stress and maintaining a healthy body that's more efficient in managing blood sugar. Importantly, these activities aren't mutually exclusive. A mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises can be the perfect recipe for a balanced fitness regime. The beauty of it is that you don't need to become an Olympian overnight. You can start slow and steady, gradually increasing the intensity and duration as your body adapts. And here's an amazing fact to get you moving. Research has shown that regular exercise can lower blood glucose by up to 15 to 20%. That's right, a small investment of your time can yield a large return in terms of health benefits. Now, doesn't that make your heart skip a beat? Exercise is a powerful tool for managing diabetes, but how much exercise do you need? Here's where expert advice from recognized bodies like the American Diabetes Association, ADA, and other international societies comes in handy. According to the ADA's Standards of Medical Care in Diabetes, people with diabetes should perform at least 150 minutes or more of moderate to vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. This can be spread out over at least 3 days during the week, with no more than 2 consecutive days between bouts of aerobic activity. Engage in resistance training at least 2 to 3 times per week. This can be included as part of the total 150 minutes of weekly exercise. Incorporate flexibility and balance exercises, such as yoga and Tai Chi, especially in older adults with diabetes to improve balance and prevent falls. Limit the amount of time spent in daily sedentary behavior. Prolonged sitting should be interrupted every 30 minutes for blood glucose benefits. Let's look at the science. We've been talking about how beneficial exercise can be for managing type 2 diabetes, but let's not just rely on words. Let's dive into some scientific evidence that supports these claims. Science doesn't lie, and the good news is that it's firmly on our side in this battle against diabetes. 5 landmark trials have shed considerable light on the relationship between exercise and diabetes management, with results published in prestigious journals such as the New England Journal of Medicine, The Lancet, and JAMA. One of these is the Look Ahead study, a clinical trial involving over 5,000 participants, published in the New England Journal of Medicine. It revealed that an intensive lifestyle intervention, including regular exercise, led to a significant reduction in HbA1c levels, showing improved blood glucose control. The famous Diabetes Prevention Program, published in The Lancet, found that lifestyle changes, including 150 minutes of exercise per week, reduced the incidence of diabetes in high-risk individuals by a whopping 58%. Another critical study to mention is the Finnish Diabetes Prevention Study, published in JAMA. The trial concluded that regular physical activity, along with dietary changes, can indeed prevent or delay the onset of type 2 diabetes in high-risk individuals. This isn't just a small improvement. It's a game changer for anyone grappling with type 2 diabetes. In conclusion, my friends, remember, your body is an orchestra of wonders and exercise is the conductor. It's not just about managing diabetes, it's about reclaiming your vitality, your energy, your life. Every step you take, every move you make is a step towards a healthier you. So why wait? Start today, and let's break the cycle together. Stay tuned for more inspiring journeys, more empowering knowledge. Until then, keep moving, keep shining. Like, share, and subscribe.